Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful leather company layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the leather company layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. As you can notice, there are high quality, relevant images included, which you are free to use without any restrictions. And the overall look and feel of this layout pack is elegant and modern as well. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here, you will find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free. So if you want to access the Leather Company layout pack, go ahead and scroll down. Then once you find it, click on it. Then you'll see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. So these are all available in Divi for free. And you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. And this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of these layouts for yourself without actually installing them on your WordPress website. So this layout pack comes with a ton of layouts, two of which are the shop and the sale layout. Let's take a quick look. So you can expect this from the shop layout. And then we have the sale layout as well. And you can easily turn this into a template inside the Divi theme builder. So say for instance you really enjoy the landing page of this layout pack and you want to use it on your own website, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to pages, add new, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi builder. So when creating a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to use one of the layouts from the Leather Company layout pack. So we'll click on the purple item. And over here, we have all of our free layout packs again. So go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Leather Company layout pack. Click on it, select your layout of choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course, you can modify all of the written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes throughout your entire page design. So say for instance, you want to change this particular font throughout your page and you want to do that at once, you can go to the Design tab, go to the heading text settings. Over here, we have the font that's being used. You can right click on Find and Replace, and we'll find this font within this page and replace it with another font of our choice. So I'll pick Lotto over here, and we'll also tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font to make sure that all of the modules and all of the text is covered, and then click on Replace. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to change throughout your entire page design, and you can basically do that for each and every design option that is included within each element. And you can also play around with Divi scroll effects, so you can definitely notice a few subtle motion effects that are applied within this layout. So if you want to change those, you can open the settings, go to the Advanced tab, go to the scroll effects. And over here, we have some horizontal motion that's been enabled. If you want to increase the speed, you can just change the values, make them as subtle or as intense as you want. Go ahead and play around with this layout pack and all of the built-in options and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.